to my kitchen. My name is Sherry and today is Tip for Tuesday. And so we're going to be making some homemade breadcrumbs. If you watched last week on Tip for Tuesday, we did like bottom of the jar recipes. So that was basically me cleaning out the door of my refrigerator and using up, what was left in the bottom of the jar as far as mayonnaise and mustard goes. So I went ahead and cleaned out the freezer and I found some bread ends. I don't know about your house, but at my house, no one will eat the ends of the breads. So I save these and I just make my own breadcrumbs. It is so simple and it'll save you a lot of money. So basically I just have, I don't know, there's probably 5 or 6 slices of bread. I'm just going to roughly tear them just to make it a little bit easier for my blender. I lost a piece there. And normally I would do this in a food processor, but I broke mine and I've been reluctant to buy another one because I got this like heavy duty Deluxe cooking blender last year and it works, unless I need things to be like a certain size or a certain shape. I've just been using this instead. So I've got 5 or 6 ends of the bread in here, and then I've got, a tablespoon or a teaspoon, I say there's probably a teaspoon left of my basil in there, and then 2 teaspoons of parsley. I'm going to do a teaspoon of thyme. That should be about a teaspoon. Teaspoon of oregano. So these are going to be Italian breadcrumbs. So if you don't want the Italian flavor, then you could just leave all these seasonings out and just put the bread in. Whoops, I got salt everywhere. All right, so I'm just going to put my lid on and we will give this a whirl. And that'll be it. And there you have it. That is really all there is to it, to making your own homemade breadcrumbs. So I'll usually use these right away, or you can put them in the freezer as long as they're in a, an airtight container. I'm going to go ahead and put these in here. And I think I'll probably just put these in the fridge because I'm going to make some meatballs later on this week. All right, there you have it. So that's your tip for Tuesday. I will see you next week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.